Are you ready to make your Telegram channel more interactive? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a comment option to your Telegram channel posts, so your followers can finally share their thoughts, ask questions, and engage right where you want them to. By the end of this video, you'll know step-by-step how to link a discussion group, turning your channel from a one-way broadcast into an active community. Let's dive right in. First things first, there are two super important things you need before we begin. One, you must be the owner of the Telegram channel where you want to add comments. Only channel owners can set up this feature. And second, you'll need a Telegram group to act as your comments section. If you already have a group set up, great. If not, don't worry, you'll have a chance to create one during the process. Alright, let's get started with linking a discussion group to your channel. Open your Telegram app and head to your channel. Now this is key, tap right on the name of your channel at the top of the screen. This takes you into the channel's info page. Think of it like the control center for your channel. Next, up in the top right corner, you'll see an edit button, usually represented as a little pencil icon. Tap that. You're now in the editing menu where all the magic happens. Take a moment here, there are lots of settings, but for adding comments, scroll down until you spot the option called discussion. That's the one we want, so tap on it. Now, Telegram gives you two choices here. The first is if you've already got a group set up and ready to go. Maybe it's an existing community for your channel members or just a group you created as a placeholder. In that case, you'll see it in the list of groups you manage. Just select it, simple as that. If you don't have a group yet, Telegram lets you create a new one on the spot. Tap Create a New Group. Follow the prompts to pick a group name. For example, you might call it Channel Comments to keep things clear, and Telegram will set it up for you automatically. Almost there. Telegram wants to double-check that you really want to link this group with your channel. You'll get a pop-up asking you to confirm. Go ahead and tap Link Group or Save depending on your device. The wording may be a little different, but it means the same thing. And that's it, you've done the technical part. You'll notice a new message appears in your group, confirming it has been linked to your channel. Plus, if you head back to your channel's main info page, you'll see a direct link to the group there as well, making it easy for your followers to find. Now for the best part. From this point forward, every new post you publish in your main channel will automatically include a comment button at the bottom. When someone taps on it, Telegram whisks them straight over to the linked group and creates a dedicated thread just for that post's discussion. This keeps all your member conversations organized and out of the main channel feed, kind of like having a meeting room right next to your announcement board. Your channel stays neat and focused, but your community gets a place to connect, share feedback, or even spark new discussions. Don't worry if you don't see the comment option on old posts. It only appears for new ones going forward. Setting this up can take a few minutes the first time, but once it's done, you won't have to touch it again. And there you go. Your Telegram channel is now more interactive and community-driven than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're still stuck or have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. I always read your feedback and try to help out. For more guides just like this, be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.